back on the screen. Shout out to anybody new watching this video. This is me with a 6'10" Kevin Durant build, shooting rhythm shooter shots after patch. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking trash, right? This is the first game, right? Now, I didn't use it heavy this game. I want to show you guys how I'm shooting without it. The play style without it, right? Now watch carefully. You see I get my takeover meter up. Buddy's just talking to his girl.
That shit's gonna be a problem.
You hear him? It's gonna be a problem. We already have the mismatch with the KD build, which makes us a problem. And it's mismatches all around. Even when we get a center, he can't stay with us. Lockdowns are the best build, but still, we still are the power build to score on a lockdown. So we're playing this little dunk, the little dunk thing where you get 4 points for a dunk. I don't really care to go dunk the ball, but I make sure I shoot the ball for sure. You know, just because I want to play in the theater court setting. You know, that's all. Look at the guard. Just, I don't know what he's on. Cool. KD with the board. Look at the dot. They said the pass accuracy was going to be too low. It's never too low.
Let me get that.
There you go. That's my teammate turned on his mic, start talking his trash. Close it up. Look at that. Look at the D. No, sir. Another Peyton Manning pass, but he misses. Oh, my Lord. He dunks the ball. They're up. He reaching because he's scared. He's reaching because he's scared. Look at them. They hoping they gonna get a steal real quick. Tis. Watch how we play this. Teammate misses. I get the board. Right up. The close shot on the build is beautiful. They just did the close shot patch, so a lot of things like it's just gonna be dropping for me down there in the paint. All right. Now they did the close shot patch for like the close fades. People was cheesing and stuff, but other than that, we're straight. We're good to go. Now watch the rest of this game. Watch.
Oh my God! I thought that nigga stole the ball.
I was about to say what? Hold it. Oh God, hold it.
Come on, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8, 10. Give me 3. Bow. Oh Lord.
No sir. Teammate gets it. Watch how this plays out.
You're not gonna shoot that bitch.
KD not going.
He's gonna shoot a mid-range. He a hoe.
That's KD, the bucket. Get a hand up. Y'all niggas are fucking long.
He was mad I shot a midi? Huh?
Bitch, you trash. Stop talking like you're nice. Suck my dick. Right. I'll run it to you again.
No, you won't. That is the funniest thing. So you see they got slapped. Now let's get into the game where I show you guys where we're using more of the rhythm shooter. You seen I use it on that last shot to end the game off, just to secure it. Sometimes, guys, using the rhythm shooter is like securing a shot. You see I knocked down one shot right there. It's really like just securing your shot sometimes. Once you get the timing down packed, then you know how to time it. And they just made a buff to make it better, meaning like more responsive, because sometimes it was tweaking out. I got a clip showing you guys Well, I have clips of showing you guys. Bow. Look at what I'm doing. You hear him saying my name? Look what I'm doing. Uh-oh. You're not going to D up. Bow. And I know some people use the rhythm shooter with the thing up, but it's like, if it's high risk reward, why not use the meters? The same thing as people using the dunk meter. Turn the dunk meter little thing off. You see what I'm saying, y'all? Like, you got to understand it's the same concept. Same concept. So it's like, to me, it's like a zen sometimes. That's how I feel. It's a zen once you wide open. And even on certain snatch and stuff, once you could time it right, it's an automatic zen, low key. Easy system to use. Watch how we use it though. Keep watching. We're not done. You see they dunking 18 to 14. We down. It's not looking good for us. Gotta lock in. Big body. What's he gonna do with it? Those is his center. We get the dunk. Now it's 18-18. Yes, this is the little thing where you get +4 dunks, but I don't care about that. I just came here to show y'all the rhythm shooting. They think that was game. Misses. KD board. Comes up. Stop. Ah. Look at that stat line. When KD scores, he literally just makes people quiet. Like, y'all see how they just quiet? It's like, damn. He missed. People love calling my shots. They think because I'm dressed like KD, you know. Got the gold tag, playing solo. That's what I do. Alright, we gotta get to the next tag though. So I'm gonna have to link up with a squad and get myself right. But this is powerful, people. I still shoot with X. I still would shoot a lot of shots, fades, everything when it comes to that. The only shots I shoot is like catch and shoot, certain snatch shots. That's when I will use the rhythm shooting shot. Or certain left stick movement, stop to shoot, boom. You guys got to understand how to do that. Be able to switch it up right here. Again, I see I do it off the snatch. Bow, bow, bow. When you got so much space, I just say use it. When you got so much space, it's like you got to use it. You have to. Like, and you don't have to, because you can, with the new buff too, they made it shoot.
He's got a small man down there.
Bro! They made it easier to shoot with X, so while you're wide open.
That weird ass shit, bro. I just gotta go for contacts at some point, bro. Like, I got silver poster. Who? You said the dude that quit?
Another gorgeous stat line.
Yeah,
Adding the stick into my shooting has increased my shooting.
Yeah.
Because when it comes to algorithm shots, or if I feel like I'm going to get algorithmed, I'm shooting with that stick. 100%. Stop right here. You see I shoot regularly. Shooting regularly feels better now. Because since you have that more wide open window, way better now. Look at this from D. Powerful, powerful tool. I mean, if it stays like this, what do I always tell you guys? Hey! We got to adapt. That's the only way. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Playing this game, IRL playstyle looks the best. Like right there, I shot, and maybe I just didn't flick my stick right. Right here, we get it down packed. Another rhythm shot. Watch this. This is the shot. Watch this. Watch this. Easy lay-in. Oh! Watch me. Watch me. Now we are back on the screen. Look at the KD build. I just put my drive layup up to 56. We'll put it up though 2 more ticks to a 57 for you guys. Listen, Once I get that, he's going to be at his elite level because I'm just going to be able to make those little automatic layups when I get past players. Sometimes if I don't get the dunk gathered because I have a 76. But here's my shooting stats. Look what I'm shooting with an 83. The rhythm shooter probably puts me up to a 90 low key with that 70% green window. I'm already using boosts like take over everything stacked on top of it, the badges. But what did I tell y'all? Be patient. They were going to send out a patch. Didn't I tell y'all that? People complain, and they still may even tweak the shooting up a little more just in case people are complaining still. I'm not sure, but they still may do that because they need for their randoms and their casual players to be able to at least shoot and knock down a green, because that's what 2K's game consists of. You getting green lights, excellent shot timings. You understand, people? So this is where Katie's at right now. We get one cap breaker this new season, so set shot specialist is going to be on legend, guys, because once I get the max +1, I'm putting it on set shot specialist, and I'm going to have that badge on legend. You guys understand this is already naturally going to be on Hall of Fame because I only need one more attribute on my mid-range to get 93 mid-range to have it, which is where I'm going to put that cap breaker for level 40. I got level 40 last season, so you guys know I'm locked in and I'm ready to get it again. It's time to start getting the other builds out there too. Even more. Kyrie is doing well, but we need like Shed and all the other builds, Luka, JT, and all of them. So rhythm shooter is the way. Please drop a like if you watched this full video. I'll see you guys in the next one.